Good morning students. This is our third lecture of class 11th, theme 1 from the beginning of time. Today we discuss two topics of this chapter. Topic 1, the positive feedback of mechanism which you got on page number 13. Topic 2, the replacement and regional continuity model theories or the center of human origin which you got on page number 16. Topic 1, the positive feedback of mechanism. For the discussion of this topic, we have to see some of the features or developments in the anatomy of early human beings, which favored or shaped them to become modern human beings. These developments are together called the positive feedback of mechanism. Bipedalism or upright walking, which helped to use less energy for hunting, carrying infants, making and using of tools and weapons. Flexibility in hands and fingers enable hands to be freed for carrying infants or objects. In turn, as hands were used more and more, running became easy. Growth in the size of the brain helped for thinking, memorizing, planning and realizing to make new attempts for further development. Visualizing surveillance improved in early humans. It favored for long distance walking, search food, find animals and many more works. These all developments in the body of humans definitely enhance their working capacity at that time. For the discussion of topic 2, you have to reach on page number 16. Our topic is the replacement and the regional continuity model theories or the center of human origin. If we discuss this topic, then we have to see that the issue of the place of origin of modern humans has been much debated by the scholars. Two totally divergent views have been expounded, one advocating the regional continuity model with multiple regions of origin, the other the replacement model with a single origin in Africa. According to the regional continuity model, the Homo sapiens originated in different regions, continents and gradually evolved at different rates into modern humans. The theory is based on the regional differences in the features of present-day humans such as color of skin, height, color of hair, etc. According to those who advocated this view, these dissimilarities are due to differences between the pre-existing Homo erectus and Homo sapiens population that occupied the same region. According to the replacement model, human beings first originated in a single region, which is Africa, and migrated to all the other regions or continent. Those who support of this view take the evidence of the genetic and anatomical homogeneity of modern humans, such as 2 hands, 2 legs, 5 fingers, 2 eyes, 1 mouth, etc. The enormous similarity amongst modern humans is due to their descent from a population that originated in the single region, which is Africa. In the next lecture, we will discuss some another topics of the same chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.